Well, as you can hear and see all over the grill here, there's little balls, little ice balls here. This is the beginning of Winter Storm Izzy. Supposed to bring 1 to 2 inches of snow an hour. I think they said 12 plus inches of snow. Guess we shall see. I'll update later on here for those of you who are not in Ohio. Peace. Dad behind the camera. Out. Alright. What's up, guys? Dad behind the camera here, and last time you seen earlier today, Winter Storm Izzy, whew, it's cold out here, was just spitting ice balls. As you can see now, there's a whole shitload of snow out here. I'm gonna measure how much snow's out here real quick. Whew. No, what is that? As you can see, 5.5 inches, almost 6. We'll check in the morning and see. Anyway, it's too cold and I'm getting my ass on out of here. Whew. Good night, y'all. 3 a.m. Dad behind the camera. Out. Hey, what's up, guys? Dad behind the camera here. And as you can see, 12.5 hours later, we are in a winter wonderland here from Winter Storm Izzy 2022. Pretty cold out here. Got this mask on because I have COVID, and well, I don't know if I still have it or not. This is like day 13. On Friday I tested positive still, so, well, all 3 of us did. Me and my girlfriend and my daughter, Kylie, tested positive, so I don't know if we still got it or not. We're gonna see how much snow's out here, so let's check it out. So let's see. As you can see, 7 inches, a little over 7 inches of snow out here. Alright, so as you see, 12.5 hours later, it's about 3:30 here, so we put down like 2 more inches. It was at 5.5 or something like that. I can't remember, but anyway, we are sitting at 7. They called for 7 to 12. They were spot on with 7 inches. So, all right, well, I'm getting on out of here, getting back inside where it's warm. Dad behind the camera. Peace. I'm out.